yavuddengayo buli kaseera n'ayongera okiggumiza Gavumenti
tenoonya president wa NUP
temunoonya oba okitegeera kakati bwe muntu aleka tofuna bino kigenda kusigala nga kireka mixed feeling and mixed reaction
kitutwala ate
okuva mu bantu
ku kya general
tugenda kumaza wetuva wetudda olowooza nti no wano muba muvuddewo ate mulira nimala ne mukola ki nemuddawo kale sooka tuwe video eyo.
Calm down, we're not going to harm you. Just cooperate with us. Tell us where your boss is. Tell us where Kyagulanyi is. I told them, I have already told in uniform, which I had not, the ones I had not seen before. So there were other vehicles that were following us. I don't know, to be specific, I don't even know how many vehicles these guys had come with. But the ones had seen were about 2, 3, and all of them had people. There was a drone and other vehicles. So these people took me when I told them there was a place that I had in Bali. So they wanted to go and search my place. They're like, can we go and search your place? I told them it was okay. I told them my key was with my sister. And they were like, it's okay, we shall allow you to pick your key from your sister's place. So we went, and then I showed them the route to my sister's place. But along the way, I told them that my other sister is a police officer, because I knew they were uniforms. Because I knew if they had found those uniforms, they would now put me. They would allege maybe I was in possession of government staff, so military staff. So when I told them, when they got into when we go to my sister's place, when I showed them that we cannot go here because the place was very dark. It is a police, and they even saw the signpost of showing a police. They were like, no, we can't go here. Call your sister, because they had already my phone. When they came inside, they took my phone, and they're the ones who were in possession of my phone. So they told me to call my sister. I called my sister. So when I called my sister, immediately she came with a key, brought the key, and then she asked. I asked her actually, has anybody been hurt? Then she said no. Then got the key. We went to my place. Searched everywhere. Kyagulanyi was not anywhere. Then they told me, this does not seem to be like your place. There's nothing that shows that this is your place. I'm like, this is my place. You can even see the place is still fresh and clean, because I've been around. I cleaned up this place today. I washed my clothes because my clothes were scattered all over. I had washed them. I did not even organize them because I had to rush home. So when I pulled the basin that had a few things, I got my photos that I had taken with my party secretary general, Mr. Lewis Rubongoya. Then others are taken with this lady, Honorable Aisha Nakayenze. Others I had with the white leaders, Ivan Masaba and the rest. So when they saw, they actually confirmed that was my place, and they saw photocopies of my other academic documents. Then I also gave them my passport, which was in the house. When they saw that, they were like, okay, we can now confirm this is your place. After searching through the house, they did not find. Finally, we got out. They kept asking me, interrogating me about Kyagulanyi's whereabouts. They kept telling me that they have intelligence, that the person who is keeping Kyagulanyi is me. And I told them I don't know. But they kept insisting. And then after some time, they told me that, do you know, your people are the ones who have betrayed you. They're the ones who gave us. How did we know where you stay? How did we even know that you had left where you were, going to your village? So the people who have betrayed you are your party people. Of course, I knew that was not true, because there is nobody of my party who can betray me and show them where I am, and most of them do not even know where I stay. Honorable, calm down. We're not going to harm you. Just cooperate with us. Tell us where your boss is.
Okutiisa nti kati kitegeeza bagenda kubeera bakwata omukomo.
Kati ekizibu ekiriwo, it is not official. Okitegedde. It's not official. Banaffe ab'ebyokwerinda bakikola mu ngeri yaabwe nga bakola ki nga bakoze, naye ebyo bwe bityo bwe biri, naye hali ekimutaye bamaze ne bamuta oluvannyuma lw'okubanga tebazudde kyebadde bakola ki kyebadde baagala. Kaakati ku bantu abamu abadde banoonyezebwa ababuzibwawo kwe kuli Bright Ahumuza, oyo nga ye coordinator w'ekibiina kya NUP Embalala. Olunaku olw'ejjo oluvannyuma lwa wiiki 3 yasimbiddwa mu kkooti. Okitegeera. Amateeka gagamba essaawa 48 naye yasimbiddwa mu kkooti after 3 weeks bukyanga akwatibwa. baleno at least oyo gamba nti family ye yamulabye so kino kyongera okurazinga ebibuuzo kwabo abatalinaako we balinga ebitonge by'okwerinda bibeegana nti tubibalina abalala batandika okuzuulibwa oluvannyuma lw'akaseera osegera bulungi waliwo omuvubuka yabadde ku kitebe kya NUP lwabadde ne press conference ono naye yamugasseemu ku abo beyalabyeko
ani yagasani
yayogedde abantu yagambye oyo ahumuza nayogera ku Cedriga tukamushaba yamwogedde I'm not sure then nayogera ne ku mugumya muganda wa Dr. Kanokiza Besigye nti himself house gyabadde nona abaddeyo so kakati kino kinakyo kyongera okurazinga ebibuuzo lwaki ebitongole by'okwerinda biba bivaayo ne byegaana omuntu
ate nga
bikola ki
anti I think because tebabateeka we balina kubeera
kati ekyo naye concern esobola okubeera saidi zaawo ng'omuntu yeebuuza lwaki tuba tutambula bwe tutyo mu nkola efaanaganako etya bwetyo naye nga ebyo bwe bityo saidi zeeyo bwe bikyagenda mu maaso okubeera nga tebitambula kale katusabire nti binayongera okuba nga ate bitambula katusubire nti banafa byokwenda banavaayo okwongera okutuwa clearance ku bituufu ebigenda mu maaso kale kino kyekiwandiiko ekiriko yandibadde nga ndowooza kyageza ahumuza abatugamba nti Uganda versus ahumuza bright myaka 42 okay obugambo sibulaba sibunamya soma kale ebyo bwe bityo bigenda maaso kubanga bikola ki bwe biri kwabadde kusanyuka na kusagambiza mu bitundu ebyekamuli